Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Shalom, Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, dan salam kebajikan. Salam Pramuka. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Melanie Davina Kristianti Sirait. You can call me Melanie. I was born in Karawang on May 2nd, 2008. I live in Dusun Mekarjati, Cikampek Timur, and I'm student of Senior High School 1 Cikampek. I am a member of good of number 25311, 25312. Motivation to participate in Pramuka Penegak Garuda activity include 1. Improving skills and knowledge. 2. Building character and personality. 3. Developing leadership skills. 4. Boosting self-confidence. And last, building social relationship. By participating in this